we've had machine learning, or really what's called reinforcement learning. And if you think of games, so if you're a gamer, you're playing on, I don't mean to say any sort of system, I'm just going to use Xbox because that's what I play on. These are things that are built around learning as you go. A reinforcement learn model, it's reinforced by your behavior. So you step forward in Minecraft, it gives you, it learns that that's good. You step into lava, that's bad, you die. And that's what I mean by your brain then says, don't step into lava the next time. It's now been learned on the fly so that it doesn't do that again. You touch a hot stove, you don't do that again as a child. You have now reinforced that pattern in your head. And that is very much what these, self-learning, self-training systems, how they operate. Now you augment that with generative AI and the ability then to create the instructions on the fly. It doesn't just need those moments, to learn from, but now it can take and actually optimize and do things differently that maybe you as, the programmer developer didn't even think of. And so not only does it then give you ideas for the next steps, but it actually can tell you how things are going wrong, things that you didn't think of ahead of time. How we ended up building, if you've played at all with our Copilot, these interfaces into Word or PowerPoint that create documents on the fly, was simply through trial and error of watching how users were experimenting with it, going out, looking for templates, coming back in, editing it down. And that's what gave us the idea for largely what you see in the Office suite today. And that's really what this idea of reinforcement learning, or this system training itself and learning from itself, really originated from.